T cells are white blood cells made in your bone marrow and your thymus. They're released when your body needs to fight an evil invader.
They're white blood cells that provide us with specific immunity against bacterial pathogens and other germs. It turns out that these T cells can also sometimes kill cancer cells.
You hear that? In recent years, humanity has discovered that we can modify the suckers to attack specific cancers, mainly cancers of the blood.
The T cells can exert their immune function in a kind of designer capacity.
But OMG, guys, scientists at Cardiff University in Wales have just found something huge, albeit under a microscope. It's a super-duper T-cell receptor, and early lab tests confirm it has the potential to
kill most cancers from all people.
Works like this. The whiz-bang new badass T-cell receptor appears to target a molecule called MR1, something that's on the surface of every cell in the human body. The new T-cell has a cheeky inspection, and if it identifies a cancerous cell, kills it dead, all while leaving healthy cells completely untouched. And the kicker? Well, it kicks the ass of all types of cancer that it comes across.
When it killed all these other cancers, we were just like, this could be big.
Michael Crowther was the man who found the T-cell receptor. In fact, it's named after him.
It's called MC7G5. The MC is for my initials, yeah.
Michael and the team actually stumbled upon the thing while searching for cells to fight bacteria.
Yeah, it was completely accidental. The way science goes quite a lot of the time, I think.
And in lab tests, they were blown away by its cancer-killing power.
Like skin cancers, breast cancers, cervical, ovarian,
Colon cancer, prostate cancer,
blood cancer,
lung cancer, many, many different tumours.
from many different tissue types.
And because all humans have the same MR1 molecule, MC7G5 has the potential to work on all humans. It's a one-cell-fits-all kind of deal.
This is quite novel, quite a breakthrough.
Well, I hope so.
Oh, and if you're a chump who's already thinking like this...
Does this mean I can start smoking again?
Don't be a dickhead.
I think that's a bad message to take away from this.
That would be a very foolish thing to do.
So, will this be the holy grail of cancer treatments? A universal therapy?
The big question now will be, does it work in the human body?
Well, human trials don't start until the end of the year.
It's still going to be a very long time. It's going to be years to a decade, I think, before it's actually part of the routine procedure for treating cancer, if it works.
So, until then, let's hope this is the T-cell that raises hell and smashes the big C for good.
If this works, then it really holds huge promise for a whole new way of harnessing the immune system to eliminate tumours from the body. But like everything in science, you need to wait and see.
It's obviously so exciting. They said trials could be still a year off and they are going to happen in the States, and obviously then that process is still used, but it's so exciting.
It's phenomenal. The idea also of a universal cure is crazy. And the thing I love about it is why we need to keep investing in research. And it's not always going to be the one that they think they're going to find a cure for here. He was saying we were working on something else and in a roundabout way found this, which is often the way you find, you know, these cures.
But that's why you fund science.
Multiple, yes, broad-ranging
because if you try to get fund X to get Y, you usually don't get Y. That's the thing about it. And that's amazing.
I think you may have noticed in that story when they were listing all the different types of cancer, brain cancer was not mentioned, but they said the main reason for that is because the brain tissue is hard to grow in the lab, but they have similar hopes for this with brain cancer as well.